Ordinal encoding. It assigns integers to categories based on their order. Usually, all the categories are ordered starting from 1. This is appropriate when categories have clear hierarchy or ranking. When categories have natural ranking such as educational levels, customer satisfaction rating, or product quality, this is usually used. This encoding preserves order as well as it doesn't increase dimensionality, which is an advantage of using this method. This is not useful for nominal data. We often see misusing ordinal encoding when categories are not ordered can introduce bias into the model. Let's take a look at code. Ordinal encoding. We are again using sklearn preprocessing. Import ordinal encoder. We have same data with temperature, color, and target. First, we are loading data into a data frame. Then we will be defining the ordinal encoder categories. Here you can see if we want to give in a particular sequence, like here we have given cold, warm, hot, very hot. This is the way we have to give it under categories. Since only ordinal variable is temperature, we are encoding this variable. We'll do fit transform, and this is the final data frame. So you can see after encoding, this is how the temperature variable looks like. Now one thing we notice, there are 0 values. Ideally, this should be always having values starting from 1. So one thing we can do is we can just add +1. Now we can see values are coming from 1 to 4, but it's still coming as float. So one thing we can do is we can change the data type here. We are making it as integer. Now it's coming perfectly. 1 to 4, all values are present. We can also use category encoders. It has got one implementation for ordinal encoding. We are loading datasets similarly in a data frame and then defining order for the temperature variable, starting from cold till very hot. And while initializing the ordinal encoder, we are mapping the temperature column, and the mapping is enumerated based on the index of the temperature order that we have given here. And since we are adding +1, this will become 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So after fit transform, the encoded dataset becomes like this, which is exactly same as previous one, starting from 1 to 4. That's all for this video. Please press like button or share the video if you liked it. To support the channel, please press subscribe button. Thank you so much.